News Channel 21 is brought to you in part by Central Oregon Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.
Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Noah Chast.
Well, hello there, Central Oregon. Happy Saturday. I hope you've been enjoying the weekend and enjoying what might be your last day for a while of, enjoyable and moderate temperatures. Here's a gorgeous photo of Devil's Lake. Thank you, Lori Rill, for that. And I chose this because I really just wanted this to soak up the water and the blue and just try and think cool thoughts as we head into the rest of this forecast, because a lot of it is dry and hot. So really think about this image as I'm talking about the rest of the week. Moving on now to, I believe, our looking at our forecast for the next couple days. There we go. No, we're going to look at Redmond Airport first, looking at the rest of the area. Again, dry and hot, kind of the opposite of what we were seeing in that lake picture. Just plenty of sunshine, no clouds in the sky, nothing there. And now looking at our almanac, we can see today a fairly moderate day, only 85 degrees, right around the average. And here's that record over at 104 set in 2006. And we're not beating that today, but pay close attention throughout the week, because we're most likely going to be breaking some records throughout the week, some of them that were set maybe last in the 1960s. So it's going to be a record-setting week throughout the rest of our week, and that's why we have an excessive heat watch here in most of the over here in the Central Oregon region. Bend, Redmond, parts of Prineville, Madras, and Warm Springs, all in that excessive heat. And then what that means is that throughout the week, from about Tuesday to Friday, is when they're saying we'll have the hottest temperatures, the hottest string of temperatures. So right now, it's really just a watch to kind of let us know what's heading our way. And the warm-up is starting tomorrow. Looking at our satellite and radar, we can see partially why this warm-up's coming, because there's not a lot of activity here in the region. We have some southwesterly winds keeping things cool today, but throughout the region through the next couple hours, next couple days, very open, very dry, not a lot of cloud coverage, no precipitation, keeping the sun from doing its thing, or letting the sun do its thing. As I mentioned, we have some wind, about 10 miles per hour gusts, but nothing really to cool things down too much, keeping today moderate at that 80-degree temperature, but not enough to keep things cool for the next few days. And here on a future track, kind of more of the same. We can see lots of cloud coverage here on the coast. And here in Central Oregon, it kind of comes over in some certain areas, maybe in northeastern Oregon, but nothing really giving us any protection from this excessive heat and sunlight we'll be seeing throughout the week, giving us these excessive heats. Right now across the state, in the 80s here in the region, over on the coast in the 60s and 70s in Portland, heating up over on that part of the state too in the next few days. But in the region, as I mentioned, a fairly moderate day, nothing we haven't seen so far this summer, in the mid to high 80s. Looking now at our lows for tonight, again, about average for what we see, the high 40s to low 50s, something that will actually be going up as this heat wave goes in, will be our lows for the night. And tomorrow's highs, that's when we start this climb, 95 degrees in Redmond. Again, nothing new for this summer, but that's the very beginning of this heat wave we're seeing. And now as we go to our 7-day, you'll see what I'm talking about. 102 on Monday and Tuesday, and then for the rest of the week, 101, 103, 99 for the moment, and then back to 102. So almost 6 straight days of 100-degree temperatures. It'll be a hot one. Let's go check your weather. Take a quick break.